Okay, so here we are in the garage, my workshop, and down here there were these little boxes here, and inside this particular box this Beetle has been trapped in there. I don't know how long it's been trapped in here, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and get him out into here so we can get a better look at him. Oops, there we go. Let's have a look so we can tip him out. There he is. Look at that. It's still going, so we'll have to yeah, you can hear it, can't you? We'll have to get him out in the garden, I think, guys. So while we have him trapped, I think we'll take a close look where we can. Got some fairly impressive looking jaws there. Look at those. You wouldn't want to get bitten by those, would you? His eyes. Got some nice colours on his shell as well. Carapace. And we are roughly 40 millimetres long. I'm not going to attempt to weigh him though. I'll try and corral him into the middle of the... oh, he doesn't like that. Here we go. There he is. Isn't he an absolute beaut? Try to get a better view of those jaws. They look like they could give you a bit of a nip. I think what we'll have to do is get him outside, because he's obviously not happy in here. So we'll do that. And we've also got a squirrel in the garden too. Right, then, we're going to release this Beetle under the shed. See if we can get a good view of him running off. Off you go. Come on, off you go. There we go. Where's he gone to? Down there somewhere. Yes, there he is, just there.
Ruff, ruff.